Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide I'll show you how to quickly create a new task in Gmail using an email. Let's get straight into it. I'm logged into Google and I'm in my Gmail inbox. You'll see that I've just received an email reminding me to take the cat to the vet for his regular checkup. He definitely needs it, don't you think? I can quickly create a new task in Google Tasks so I don't forget this. To do that, I'll move my mouse to that email. And whilst hovering over it, if I click on my right mouse button, you'll see a long list of options is shown. I'll scroll down that list until I get to the Add to Tasks option. Let's click on that once to select it. When I do that, a right-hand panel opens in Gmail, showing my existing task list. And you'll see that the email we clicked on has also been added. Before we save that task, we can make a number of changes to it. I'll click into the title first. We can update this subject so it's more meaningful as a task. I can also add any extra information I need to remember to the details section of the task. The most important part of the task is the date and time. If I click into that section, a date picker is shown. I'll call the vet tomorrow morning, so I'll pick that date in the calendar. And I want to do it early, so below the date, I'll also specify the time for this task by clicking into that section. A drop-down list is shown, and I'll choose the correct time by scrolling down the list and clicking on it. I don't need to set this task as a repeating one that will be shown regularly, so I can ignore the section below the time. To confirm the date and time, I'll click on the OK button, and you'll see that those details have now been added to the task. The original email has also been attached to this task, and it can be quickly displayed by clicking on the link shown. And that is all you need to do to add a task. To close the task panel in Gmail, click on the X in the top right hand side of the panel. I hope you found this Woggle guide useful and learned something new. If you have, please like or subscribe for free so that you can find out when new guides are available. Thanks for watching.